An infinite universe is impossible. 2. In this video, we establish the thesis that an infinite universe is impossible. 1. Time infinity is impossible. It is impossible to cross an infinity. Therefore, the universe cannot be temporally past infinite. That means it had a beginning, and therefore a creation event. Therefore, the universe cannot be time infinite. 2. Size infinity is impossible. Material or physical causation is necessarily local in order for atheists to avoid the supernatural. Therefore, the creation of the universe had to start at a local point, like the near-singularity of the Big Bang, and formation of the universe had to expand outward from that location of creation, like we see the Big Bang universe expanding. Material or physical causation has to exist in time for atheists to avoid the supernatural, and therefore the causation has to occur in finite time, and therefore finite speed. Therefore, the universe must have been expanding from its location of creation or causation for a finite time and at a finite speed, and therefore its size is finite. It cannot be infinite. Therefore, the universe cannot be size infinite. 3. Infinite universe is impossible. Therefore, from points 1 and 2 above, an infinite universe is impossible. This logic applies to all universes or multiverses. This means it is impossible for any universe or multiverse to be infinite in time or spatial extent or both. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.